Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I am reviewing a specific product that I was trying to look for. So it's a screen protector. So I have this iPad Pro 10.2 inch. It's for my children. So I have two boys, they're always crazy, and I'm just trying to, and they share their tablet. So we need to get a case for it, we need to get a screen protector. So today I'm reviewing the screen protector and seeing if it's actually useful. So this is the product that we got. It's the Glass Screen Pro Premium Tempered. It's a 3-pack from Amotone. And what I liked about it, first off all, when I saw the actual package, was that it's beautiful, first of all, and it's thick, and that it says here it's explosion proof, it's scratch wear resistant, it's fingerprint resistant. Just looks perfect. So we're gonna try it out, we're gonna open it together, and we'll see what we get. Right now I got my husband to help me out with opening the package and actually installing it, because I think he'll just do a better job than me. So go ahead. So now we can clearly see that there is a wipe for it, and a clear dust like for the screen. So we'll probably use this to install it. It comes with a little explanation of how to actually do it. And they have a YouTube channel that you can actually go on there, and they actually have the instruction video on there, so that's helpful. Yeah, so that's the wipe. So they give you actually 4 wipes, because it is 3 screen protectors. So that's probably just to keep them in hold. Okay, so they just have a little card to tell you if you want to review or not. So we'll see if we're satisfied. And then they have some stickers.
I think these stickers take all the dust out of the screen.
So those stickers, actually, we use them to take the dust off. And that's the first screen. Looks nice. Is it thick? Kind of thick. So yeah.
I see them just as the rest of them.
Okay, so let's bring in the tablet. So it turns out this black thing is not just a placeholder, it's for the actual iPad. So it's perfect, it fits. Now first we would use the wipe to clean it off. Now we're drying it off. Yeah, maybe that was a better idea.
So we can see all the dust on there.
Now we use the sticker to remove like little dust particles that are on the tablet, so it doesn't get caught when you put it on the screen. It's a pretty good idea to have.
Looks good.
It looks pretty clean. And now this is the glass.
This is a back one. Okay.
So now you have to peel it off. So it looks like a very slim, clean screen protector. Like when you put on the thing, you don't even see it. Yeah, it's really nice. So now just looking at it, after it's been installed, it's very slim. Like you can't even see the sides of it, and it's like there is no screen protector on it, and it's actually really thick. Like if you touch it, it's really thick. I really do like it right now after the installation. So I'm hoping that this would work for my kids and it won't break. Nothing will happen to it. So we'll see about that. So I hope that this video was beneficial for you guys, and the link will be in the description box if you guys do plan to purchase it. It does come with 3. I did buy the 3-pack because I know that if there is an accident, I have an extra spare. But you guys should check it out. For now, it's good.